Did you know that 52% of Americans absolutely hate their 9 to 5 job? And what's worse, people have no idea how they can leave their 9 to 5 job and achieve that financial and time freedom. What's up, you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya, and I'm the go-to expert when it comes to helping people leave their 9 to 5 jobs and achieving that financial and time freedom. And as you can see, we've helped over 12,000 students start their online business and start their journey on leaving their 9 to 5 job. As you can see here, guys, we've had literally hundreds of people generate their first commission online, and every single one of these people never had a product, never had any experience, and they're still working their 9 to 5 job. I have even helped one of my students go all in with his business and make over $27,000 in just the last month. Now, in this training, I'm going to show you my simple 3-step process on how you can build a 6-figure online business, but more importantly, show you how you can leave your 9 to 5 job and achieve financial and time freedom. And the best part about it is I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started without any products, without any experience, and with just a few hours a week. This is the exact same framework and process that allowed me to leave my 9 to 5 job with a baby on the way and working 50 to 60 hours per week. Now, I'm going to show you this simple 3-step process that allowed me to create a 6-figure business and, more importantly, leave my 9 to 5 job. Now, this is really simple. Step number 1 is we need to find an offer that we don't own, but that's already doing very well in the marketplace, okay? So this is something I call the affiliate stacking ecosystem. So this is going to be step number 1, okay? So we're going to have that main core offer. Now, this offer can be anything in any niche, right? If you're in the health niche, or you're in the keto niche, or if you're doing something in like crypto or make money online, it doesn't really matter. We just need to find something that we resonate with and we can sell it, and it's not our product. Now, this is where it becomes very powerful because we have this main core offer that's going to help people with a certain thing that they want to do, right? For example, if they want to lose weight, we find an offer that helps them lose weight. Now, this is where it becomes very powerful, is we find other supporting offers that helps that customer, okay? Now, any of these offers, we don't own any of this, okay? We don't own any of these products. We don't need to create them. You can literally do this in a few hours, okay? But you do want to have a main core offer and then supporting offers with it. Now, let me show you an example of some supporting offers that pay me passively every single month, but they also help the customer, okay? So number 1, let's just say my main core offer is to teach people how to start a business, right? Which is what I do. Now, one of the tools, and this is just one of my supporting offers, is something called ClickFunnels. I'm an affiliate of ClickFunnels. Again, I don't own the product, but as you can see here, I make around $7,000 per month, okay? Now, this is very powerful because this is now monthly reoccurring income because it's a tool, it's a software that helps that person get that certain result, okay? Here's another example, okay? This is, offer number 2. This is something called GetResponse. It's just another tool that helps my client get the core result they want, right? Again, I teach people how they can quit their job. So there's certain tools that they need to be able to do that, right? As you can see here, $850 here, another $780, okay? And this is called the affiliate stacking ecosystem because I continue to stack different offers that make sense, okay? This is very, very powerful, okay? Because not only am I making money on the front end, I'm also making money on the back end. And this is what I've taught to over 12,000 students how to build from the ground up. Now, step number 2 is we need to build the actual system, okay? Now, the system is very, very simple, okay? All we're doing is we're taking people to something called an opt-in page, right? So we're building something called our email list. We can then follow up with these customers. Now, this is where it becomes really powerful because this automated email sequence goes ahead and it retargets those people and it follows up with them so they can buy our main offer and our supporting offers. And the cool thing about this is you can do this without any paid traffic. I show my students how they can do this with absolutely free traffic and free customers, so you don't have to pay for them if that's something you don't want to do. But step number 2 is all about setting up this whole system. Now, in the training, I'm also going to show you how to do this with a click of a button and how you can do this and copy my exact same system, right? But I'm also going to show you how to build this out on your own if it's something you want to do. So I show you both ways inside of my training. Now, the last step, and this is step number 3, is we need to drive customers or traffic to this automated system. Now again, in step 1 and step 2, I show you exactly how to build this out and how you can literally import this with one click in a few seconds, right? But once you do that, we need to drive customers to this system that's going to pay you every single month, every single day, okay? And this is all about driving traffic with step number 3. Now, I'm just going to give you one way to drive traffic, but there's so many ways, all right? And this is one of the easiest ways right now is by using something called TikTok. With TikTok, I can literally make these 15-second videos and I could drive them to this affiliate stacking ecosystem. As you can see here, I create very, very simple 15 to 20 second videos, and then I drive them to this link. And this link is basically the affiliate stacking ecosystem where I stack multiple offers on each other, but offers that make sense and that actually help the customer. Now with TikTok, I show you exactly how you can make these extremely simple 10 to 20 second videos. And in these videos, I drive people to these links here, which again, make me money every single day, every single month, and more importantly, monthly reoccurring income. Now guys, this is just a 10,000 foot overview, but if you wanna go deeper, if you wanna know the exact process, step by step, click by click, on how you can build a business from the ground up, I wanna invite you to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge where I'm gonna show you exactly step by step, click by click, how you can set up this affiliate stacking ecosystem, how you can do this with one click of a button, but also I'm gonna give you the skills so you can do this yourself and use this to quit your 9-to-5 job. This is the exact system and process that I use to quit my 9-to-5 job and achieve financial freedom, and the same system that I've used on over 12,000 plus and counting students that have gone through my 3-day challenge. Now, if you're interested in joining this 3-day challenge, I'm gonna leave a link down below or around this video. That way you can get started with the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. And real quick, I just wanna show you some more testimonials of students that are getting their first commissions and their first high ticket commissions with this exact challenge. As you can see here, this is Fatima. She's actually from Pakistan. As you can see here, boom, got my first high ticket commission. As you can see here, $747. And if we keep going, as you can see here, there are literally hundreds and hundreds of people that are getting their first commission with the 3-day challenge. Here's another one here by Daniel Chow, over $5,479 with the 3-day challenge. And these are just 5 of my students, 2 of them who have recently quit their 9-to-5 job, who got the sales on the same exact day. And it goes on and on and on, as you can see here. This is just a few and some of the results that students have gotten with this program. Now guys, if you want access to this 3-day business breakthrough challenge and you want to know exactly how, step by step, click by click, how you can get started, please click on the link down below or around this video so you guys can get started with the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. And guys, trust me, I know exactly how it feels to work a 9-to-5 job where you're not fulfilled. You hate driving to and from work every single day, wasting 2 hours in traffic, not having that fulfillment that you truly desire, not being able to travel the world. I was there, trust me, I hated that 9-to-5 job. I started this exact same business, and in 9 months, I actually quit my 9-to-5 job and went all in with my business. So if you're interested in learning how you can get started step by step, click by click, without having any products, any experience, and not that much time, and you're still working a 9-to-5 job, I want to show you and invite you to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge. Please click a link down below or around this video so you can get access to that.